If you've ever thought investing means staring at charts, picking the right stock, or magically predicting the market, you're going to love this video. Because today, I'm going to show you the simplest investing strategy, even if you know nothing about the stock market. It's called ETF investing. And here's the crazy part. ETF investing has beaten most professional stock pickers over time. Instead of guessing what stock will win, you invest in the market itself. And you can start with $10. By the end of this video, you'll know what an ETF actually is, exactly which type beginners usually start with, and the 3-step automation setup that makes your money grow without thinking. And I'll give you a beginner investing blueprint that simplifies all of this. But first, what even is an ETF? An ETF is like buying a basket of investments instead of just picking one. Imagine going to the store and instead of buying one apple, you buy a basket of fruit. If one apple goes bad, who cares? You've still got 49 others. That's how an ETF works. An ETF is a group of stocks, all packaged into one investment. Examples: S&P 500 ETF, VOO/SPY. Holds the 500 biggest U.S. companies. Total Stock Market ETF, VTI. Holds the entire U.S. stock market. International ETF, VXUS. Holds companies around the world. Instead of trying to pick the next Tesla, you own every company that could become the next Tesla. This is why ETFs win. Lower risk, lower stress, and historically strong returns. Let's make this stupid simple. When you buy individual stocks, you're choosing one single company. Because of that, the risk is higher, since your entire investment depends on how that one company performs. You have to research financials, earnings reports, news, charts, to feel confident about your choice. It can take hours to find a good stock and track what's happening with it. And because you only own one company, there's no diversification. If that company tanks, your money tanks with it. But when you invest in ETFs, it works differently. The risk is lower because instead of owning one company, you own a whole group of them at once. You don't need to research individual companies. The ETF already spreads your investment across many. It takes minutes, not hours, because you simply pick the ETF you want to invest in, and you get instant diversification. One ETF can include dozens, or even thousands, of companies. You're not trying to be a full-time investor. You want your money working while you live your life. ETFs let you do that. Here are the 3 ETF types most beginners start with. Number 1, Total Stock Market, ETF. Example, VTI, Vanguard, owns approximately 4,000 U.S. companies. Number 2, S&P 500 ETF. Example, VOO, Vanguard/SPY, State Street, owns the top 500 companies. Number 3, International ETF. Example, VXUS, Vanguard, owns non-US companies. If you want a done-for-you diversified portfolio, many beginners use VTI plus VXUS. That combo basically gives you US market plus international market. Now let's make it automatic. Here's the full system. Step 1, open a brokerage account. Step 2, pick your ETFs. Example for beginners, 80% VTI and 20% VXUS. Step 3, automate deposits weekly or monthly. Automation matters more than the amount. If you invested $100 per month into an ETF like the S&P 500, historically, you'd have over $175,000 after 30 years. Even though you only deposited $36,000, the market did the rest. Here's your takeaway. Don't pick stocks. Pick ETFs. And automate it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. If you want to keep learning, I put a link in the description to the books that help me understand investing. They're beginner-friendly, and yes, they're my affiliate links, so when you use them, it helps support the channel at no cost to you. Comment ETF if you want me to build a series around this. And if you're ready to keep building wealth, hit that follow and watch the next video.